All right, here's some popular requests for a video. So we have the option in zzTakeoff to bring in templates from PlanSwift. Okay, so right now it's July 7th, 2025, and there's going to be some major updates to this fairly soon. So at this point, this is what the import from PlanSwift is going to look like and what you're going to get. At this point, it's going to be only the takeoff properties, and what we want to do at this point for this video is import a template. So in your PlanSwift, you should have saved one of your templates to, let's say, a desktop or something like that. Save it as a template. When you export from PlanSwift template tabs, you just export it, save it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to open up a template. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus button, and I'm going to say import PlanSwift templates. So now I'm going to go choose that file, and I've got a couple here. I'm just going to do the golf one because it's a little smaller, and you hit upload and you hit import, and it's going to just bring all your takeoff templates in. Eventually this will pull in parts, your labor, your equipment, and all that. The team is working on that right now, but for right now, this is what you get. You get everything that was in the template as a takeoff property. So I've got all my main line, I've got all my lateral valves and everything else. Okay, so again, it's just the takeoff properties from PlanSwift from your template, and then you can assign parts and pieces to it inside of ZZ. But for right now, as of July of 2025, this is what it's going to do. Okay, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.